Hello everyone, my name is Ajay Khandelwal and I am fund manager with Motilal Oswal Asset Management Company. I would like to introduce Motilal Oswal Manufacturing Fund, our first ever active thematic fund focusing on the manufacturing theme. This fund marks a significant step in our journey of capitalizing on high growth opportunities within India's booming manufacturing sector. The Motilal Manufacturing Fund shall be positioned to leverage the ongoing capital expenditure cycle, targeting high growth opportunities within India's manufacturing landscape. The fund will be focused high conviction portfolio of up to 30 stocks, each selected based on high growth themes identified by our experienced investment team. India's government aimed to increase the manufacturing sector share to 25% of the economy, with manufacturing gross value added GVA, which is expected to grow 2.8 times from FY23 to FY30. This expansion presents a substantial opportunity, with merchandise exports anticipated to double, reaching 3.5% by FY31. India's competitive advantage in lower manufacturing wage cost and impressive labor productivity growth positions it as a global manufacturing hub, especially in the context of the China Plus One strategy. The fund shall target various high potential sectors including EMS, defense, specialty chemical, power, wire and cables, auto and auto ancillaries, among others. These sectors are primed to provide significant opportunities for the investors. The convergence of multiple favorable trends like softening of inflation, improving current account deficit, rising forest reserves, and a stable currency creates a conducive environment for business stability and growth. Additionally, government reforms and PLI scheme further accelerate the manufacturing sector, driving both quality and quantity of production. The capex for both government and private sector has been increasing exponentially over the last 5 years, catalyzing economic activity and infrastructure development. With capacity utilization levels around 75%, companies are well positioned to optimize resource allocation, improve productivity, and reduce costs. Manufacturing is already a key theme in our active schemes, with an allocation of almost 27,000 plus crore in manufacturing sector. The fund offers a compelling investment opportunity for those seeking high growth potential within thematic funds. Our proven track record, unique portfolio construct, and commitment to excellence makes this fund a strategic choice for long-term wealth creation. We invite you to join us on this exciting journey to achieve your financial goals. Thank you.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.